A survey released Monday by the motorist group AAA has revealed that gas prices are at their highest yet, a national average of over $4 a gallon. Senator Ben Cardin says the price of gasoline is hitting small business owners the most.
It's time for Democrats and Republicans to work together on this issue. We've got to come together as a nation. This is too important of an issue for partisan bickering. We've got to answer the real problems that businesses and individuals are having today with these energy price increases.
Sterling Crockett operates Sterling Construction Services. He says fuel prices have taken their toll on his business's personnel.
In the first 6 months of this year, our gas prices have exceeded what we paid all of last year. Besides the pressure that we're feeling at the pump, we also have other costs that are passed on to us in the form of fuel surcharges, as well as some of the petroleum-based supplies.
Senator Cardin says drilling to lower these high gas prices is only a short-term solution.
It won't lower gas prices. I do believe that we have to explore oil and gas where we have it, where we can do it in an environmentally sensitive way. But we're not going to drill our way out of this problem. We have 3% of the world's reserves of oil, and we use 25%. If we're going to become energy secure, we need alternative and renewable energy sources.
Others say drilling will barely lower prices at the pump, even in the short term.
It's been shown by our own Department of Energy that is not going to result in any significant reduction in the price of the pump. In fact, our own Department of Energy has said with respect to the Arctic and ANWR that if you were to drill today, you wouldn't see any price difference for 10 years. And at the end of the day, 20 years from now, you're talking about a little over than 1 penny reduction per gallon of gasoline. So it's because we are a drop in the bucket, literally, or a drop in the sea in the world oil market.
Senator Cardin says oil companies receive $17 billion a year in tax incentives. He calls for Republicans and Democrats to pass legislation that will put this money toward renewable energy sources. Opponents of the idea say they are still unclear whether this money will lower gas prices for the average consumer. In Tacoma, Maryland, I'm Nicholas Balassi, CNSNews.com.